All right, guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 23rd of June, 2023. My software has shown me a short, simple buy scalp opportunity in the market that should give me about $260 profit. We started this account with $250. We've made almost $10,000 profit. We've withdrawn our $250, so we're trading free with the market's money. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bells, like and comment. And yeah, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Let's look at how much we've made this week so far. Boom, boom, boom. This week we've made $3,500 scalping the market so far. If you want to copy my trade, sign up in link in description below with Milga Markets. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you want to buy the course to learn how I scalp and get the software, which is also available on TradingView, go to hedgingmastermind.com. The course includes how to scalp. We're going to be taking live scalp trades with you. How to swing. We're going to be taking live swing trades with you, and how to hedge out your trades. That means if you have any loss in the market, you can always cover it up so you have no loss. We're going to take live hedging with you. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be right back soon. And there you go. Take profit hit in less than 5 minutes. What a nice trade. That was $267 in total. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, sign up, link in description below with Milga Market. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades and send me proof. If you want to buy the course and get the software also, and join me taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, and live hedging in order to be able to save your account from any loss and compound your account fast, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits or in another trade in the market. So far this week, we've made almost $4,000, and yeah, we'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment.